pictures of you, baby, they're running round my head. I don't get rid of them, but that's just fine, 'cause I could keep on dreaming of you all of my time. To hold you in my arms is a feeling that I miss. We could enjoy this life together just like it is. It would be just the two of us, no one else around. I was looking for something special, and you are what I found. Girl, you got me thinking, what am I doing here? What am I doing without you? Or can't you just come over here and be with me? You really got me thinking, what am I doing here? What am I doing without you? Or can't you just come over here to be with me? Such a long time since we met, but the pictures of you won't go out of my head. I don't get rid of them, but that's alright, 'cause I'm dreaming of you all of my time. To hold you in my arms is a feeling that I miss. We could enjoy this life together just like it is. It would be just the two of us, no one else around. I was looking for something special, and you are what I found. Babe, you got me thinking, what am I doing here? What am I doing without you? Or can't you just come over here and be with me? You really got me thinking, what am I doing here? What am I doing without you? Or can't you just come over here and be with me? been a long time since we met, but the pictures of you, baby, they're running round my head. I don't get rid of them.